Surveying is one of the most important skills in civil engineering. Whether you're working on roads, buildings, or bridges, precise measurements are essential. In this video, we'll break down surveying techniques and instruments, explaining how they work and why they matter. Let's get started. Surveying is the process of measuring and mapping land to determine distances, angles, and elevations. It ensures that structures are built accurately and efficiently, preventing costly mistakes. But to do this, we need the right techniques and instruments. Let's go over some of the most important surveying techniques used in civil engineering. 1. Chain surveying. Visual, a surveyor measuring land using a tape or chain. The simplest method, using a chain or tape to measure distances. Best for small, flat areas. 2. Compass. Surveying visual, a surveyor taking direction readings using a compass. Uses a prismatic compass to measure angles with respect to magnetic north. Helpful in forest or hilly terrain. 3. Plane table surveying. Visual, a surveyor sketching a map on a plane table in the field. A quick and simple technique for mapping small areas. Ideal for preliminary site surveys. 4. Theodolite surveying. Visual, a theodolite measuring angles at a construction site. Used for precise angle measurements in horizontal and vertical directions. Essential for road alignment and building layout. 5. Total station surveying. Visual, a surveyor using a total station to measure distance and angles digitally. A modern electronic instrument that combines a theodolite and electronic distance measurement, EDM. Highly accurate and used in all types of surveying projects. 6th, GPS surveying. Visual, a GPS receiver on a tripod collecting data from satellites. Uses satellites for positioning, eliminating the need for ground-based measurements. Perfect for large-scale projects and remote locations. Now let's take a look at the essential tools every civil engineer should know. 1. Measuring tape and chain. Basic tools for measuring distances in chain surveying. 2nd, prismatic compass measures angles relative to magnetic north in compass surveying. 3rd, plane table used for on-site sketching and mapping. Theodolite measures precise angles for alignment and layout. 5. Total station, a multifunctional device that provides digital distance and angle measurements. 6th, auto level helps in leveling and elevation measurement for accurate grading. 7. GPS receiver provides accurate geolocation data for large projects. Not all surveying techniques are the same. Here's how to choose the best one for your project. Small areas? Use chain or plane table surveying. Hilly terrain? Compass surveying works best. Need high accuracy? Go for a theodolite or total station. Large-scale projects? GPS surveying is the most efficient. Even experienced surveyors can make mistakes. Here are some common errors and how to avoid them. Incorrect instrument calibration. Always check and adjust equipment before use. Environmental factors, wind, temperature, and refraction can affect measurements. Human errors. Always double-check readings and keep proper records. Surveying is a fundamental skill for every civil engineer. Mastering these techniques and instruments will ensure accurate designs and successful projects. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Urban Builder Guide, and turn on notifications for more engineering content. See you in the next one.